There you go. It's ready. Hello. Hello everybody! So today, I'm going to show you how to make your own first birthday t-shirt for your daughter. So since my baby is going to have her birthday, so I'm going to print her own costume for the smash cake because she's going to have the photo shoot. Since it's expensive to print this t-shirt for only first birthday or her name, especially when it's colored, so I decided to just make my own. So what we need to do is we need a scissor, stretch and seal, Catraforno. This is actually for the oven paper, the one that you put in the oven. You see that? It's the white paper. The iron, I'll show you what we are going to need that iron for, and then this one. So this is the design, and then one, and then a little flower on top, and then down will be her name. So I will show you how did I make this. So for the name, if you're going to make the name, put Jayreen. And then the page, we can change it to, put in the middle, orientation, landscape. There you go. And then just 200, like that. See? Fit now. And then you change it to, there you go. As you can see, it's big again. So you can just keep on changing the size here. Size, for example, to 150, like that. Then you can change the color, pink. There you go. Then you can print it. So we have number 1. And we have the name Jayreen. We will choose either one or this one. Silver. Tapos itong name, Jayreen, use this. So first we have to do is, let's seal this design that we're going to put in the shirt with the stretch and seal. You put 3 layers for the back, and for the front, only 1 layer. Do the same with the 2. Oh, babies ko, you know. So, let's turn on the iron, and now, let's put this inside. Okay, so we have ready this 2 design. Remember, you put 2 layers at the back, and then in front only 1. Okay, and then don't forget to put this board inside the shirt. And then we have here the iron. Now we're also going to prepare this paper. It's cut. put this on top. So let's see. Now we put this on top. And then start to iron it.